Mohammad Jakesh.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir. The name Shanti, I don't know why many of them get disturbed. In our Hindu shlokas, if we recite, we start from Om and end from Shanti. For an example, there is a shloka. Om Purnamadam Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. That means any person, he wants to come up in his life, he fights, he achieves, he becomes big, and one day he thinks, what is this? I didn't gain anything. One thing I want to gain, that is, I want Shanti. See, the power of word Shanti is fantastic. They have kept the name Shanti for this bill, and I support this bill, sir. Sir, with a deep sense of responsibility towards the nation's future, I stand before this House to express my full support for Shanti Bill 25. This forward-looking legislation reflects the firm vision and bold leadership of our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, under whose guidance India's energy sector has moved from chronic shortage to confident self-reliance. Sir, it is important to acknowledge the strong foundation laid by Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji through the Pokhran nuclear test 1998. He built forward-looking confidence in the nation and proved the nuclear capability is essential for the national security and not deepening on others. He firmly believed that the nuclear energy should serve both defense and development. Sadly, back-to-back Congress governments failed to carry this vision forward. Sir, I will give you a small example, sir. I came from a very small village. Sir, it's agony, you don't know. When I was a student, I used to pray for the electricity, sir. Let it come. If it goes, it will come next day, sir. But today it is not like that, sir. It is only because the vision of our Narendra Modi ji. See, everywhere there is a development happening, sir. Sir, before 13, under UPA government, India suffered from weak and power cuts was common in those days. Rural families received only 10 to 12 hours of power, sir. And even cities suffered regular power cuts despite repeated promises. The UPA government added less than 7 gigawatts of nuclear capacity, pointing delays and no clear vision in the nuclear plants. Sir, after 2014, under the NDA government led by Prime Minister Modi ji, the situation changed completely. Every village was electrified. Rural India now receives 20 to 22 hours of electricity, and the urban areas enjoy 24/7 non-stop power supply, sir. This change has improved education, healthcare, industry, and digital infrastructure across the country. However, sir, India's electricity demands continues to rise due to manufacturing growth, urbanization, artificial intelligence, and data centers. Renewable energy is necessary but cannot alone provide round-the-clock base load power. Nuclear energy, therefore, remains necessary. The Shanti Bill 25 updates outdated nuclear laws and allows limited private and joint venture participation, while ensuring that the government retains complete control over the sensitive areas such as fuel, enrichment and reprocessing and waste management. This carefully balanced guarantees safety, security and faster growth. Under Prime Minister Modi ji, nuclear capacity has nearly doubled, new reactors have been approved, and financial support for the atomic energy has increased significantly. The bill also promotes small modular reactors which are safer, faster to build and sustainable for the different regions of India, sir. Unlike during the Congress rule, marked by the delay and doubt, this government displays strategic confidence to the nation, including Russia, France, United Nations, United States of America, Japan, work with India because they trust our Narendra Modi ji leadership, policy, clarity and commitment. To conclude, sir, I'll give us two small examples. So when I was small, my granny and my auntie used to prepare food for us, sir. That is, now they call it millet. But for us in Karnataka, it is called ragi mudde, sir. Early morning, they used to get up, 4 o'clock, and for 20 people, they have to work 5 to 6 hours to make that food. So today, one machinery has come, sir, that prepares 100 ragi mudde in 10 minutes, sir. See, that is the development. I say, our all friends, they are still in 1947, sir. They are not going forward. But our leader is trying to make the developed India and is thinking about 2047, sir. But still they are there only. I don't know why always any good things happen in our country, there will be a big opposition, sir. So I pray for them, let God give them Shanti, 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 and let India get a developed country with our leaders' vision, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Jagdish.